She was going to school in Guelph, and I went down to go pick her up and bring her back. So I went down for Saturday and then came back Sunday. And when I went down to pick her up, the roads were bare. It was nice. Come this Saturday night, we go to bed, wake up Sunday morning, and it got dumped on down there. And I end up here. It was bad. The weather was horrible. It was just a brutal snowstorm. I couldn't do above 50 kilometers an hour on the highway without losing control and starting to fall off the road.